In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Kanban view in Airtable. The Kanban view is a powerful way to visualize your work as cards moving through different stages, like to do, in progress, and done. It's especially useful for managing tasks, projects, or sales pipelines because you can see exactly where everything stands at a glance. First, open the Airtable base that already contains the data you want to work with. This might be a base for projects, tasks, leads, or anything else you're tracking. Make sure you're in the table that holds the records you want to visualize, since the Kanban view is just a different way of looking at that same information, not a separate set of data. Next, you'll create a new view. Look over to the left sidebar where your views are listed. Click the plus icon next to views, or you might see a button that says Add View. When the list of view types appears, choose Kanban. Airtable will then ask you to name this view. Give it a clear, descriptive name that reflects how you'll use it, like sales pipeline, project tasks, or content workflow. A good name will make it easier to switch between views later and know exactly what each one is for. Now comes the most important part, choosing your grouping field. This defines the columns in your Kanban board. Airtable will prompt you to pick a field to group by. You'll want to select a field that is a single select, a user field, or a linked record field, because these work best for creating clear, distinct columns. A common choice is a status field with options like to do, in progress, and done. Another popular option is a priority field with values like high, medium, and low. Think about how you naturally track progress and pick the field that matches that. Once you've selected your field, confirm it by clicking Done or Create New View. Airtable will automatically build your Kanban columns based on the options in that field. With your Kanban view set up, you can start using it. To update the status or grouping of any task, simply drag and drop a card from one column to another. When you do this, Airtable automatically updates the underlying field in your table, so your data stays consistent everywhere. To add new work, scroll to the bottom of any column and click New Card. This creates a new record that's already assigned to that column's status or group. Fill in the details you need, and it's instantly part of your workflow.